Dinesh Krishna, hi. How are you? It's been a long time. I'm good, Dinesh Krishna. How about you? How about you, girl? How are you today? It's been a long time. Yeah, I'm good, Frankie. What are you doing today, Dinesh Krishna? It's Saturday, right? It's been a long time. Ano, girl? Yeah, I'm good, Frankie. Had lunch? Nah, not yet. Dinesh Krishna, what time is it? Yeah, it's 12. I will cook later. Taking rest. What about you, Frankie? Yeah, just doing Dinesh Krishna, just doing stream just now. Yeah, and later I will prepare my lunch. I will cook. Here it's 4 a.m. Ah, it's already 4 in India. How about you, Dinesh Krishna? Have you had your lunch? Because it's 4 a.m. there. It's not hot there, Dinesh Krishna. How's the weather there? Here it's very hot, really. Because it's 4 p.m. 3 viewers, shout out and like. Thank you for the likes, guys. Today it's rainy. Ay, bitter there. Here, Dinesh Krishna is so hot. It's very, very hot, really. Yesterday too hot. Ah, here it's very hot. I don't like it. But yeah, the summer here, I think it's only 3 months or months. Yeah. I heard Europe, it's too hot. Yes, Dinesh Krishna, you are right. It's too hot. Especially here because I live what is it? Near the Mediterranean, Teresa Joyce. Hi, Teresa Joyce. Taga saan ka? I don't know what to say. Where are you from, Teresa Joyce? And Let's Be Avenue, hello. Let's Be Avenue, hello. Where are you from? Are you from, what is that, Scotland? Am I right? A country. Yeah, Teresa Joy, where are you from? And Dinesh Krishna, oh my goodness. Yes, Dinesh Krishna, it's very hot here. Take care, Frankie, drink water and stay hydrated. Thank you, Dinesh Krishna. You too, huh? Yeah, but there it's raining, right? It's raining. And Teresa Joy, somewhere, where you wanna know? Nothing. It's normal here on my stream. Teresa Joy, I will ask to my viewers so that I can say shout out from like this, from this country. Day Shilo. Unsa na oras dia day hello day. Kumusta day Shilo? And Felicity. Warning Fury joining the chat from Egypt. Shout out from Egypt. Shout out from Egypt. Yeah, shout out from Egypt. Felicity, how old are you? Thank you for coming. Felicity, you're Irish from Ireland. Teresa Joyce. But I have many friends here from Ireland. Yeah, Teresa Joyce, how old are you? And the real Cookie Kid, what are you from? Where you mean where am I from? I'm from the Philippines, the real Cookie Kid, but currently here in Spain. And Teresa Joyce play music. Do you like music? Nice. What kind of music do you like, Teresa Joyce? Felicity, I am 21 from Egypt. Shout out, Felicity, 21 years old from Egypt. Do you know that I like to visit Egypt? That's my what do you call that? Dream country one day. Felicity. Forever BTS, show your outfit. Your outfit is good. No, I only just wearing shirt. Forever BTS, where are you from again? I think I know you, Forever BTS. You've been here before. And the real Cookie Kid, I'm 6 years old. You're 6 years old. How's your school? The real Cookie Kid, what grade are you in? And Dinesh Krishna, what is 6 years old doing here? Yeah, sometimes Dinesh Krishna, there is minor here. And Teresa Joyce, I Spice did it first play it. I Spice, I didn't know that kind of song. Teresa Joy. And Sheila, kumusta ate? Okay ra day. Mo nagjapon day init kay diri day oy. Kapoy. Dugay ko naka-live kay na ko gibuhat. Ikaw day silo. Unsa na oras dira day? And Dinesh Krishna Kido go to school. And the real Cookie Kid, I'm from Philippines. Taga Pilipinas pala ito si the real Cookie Kid. Saan ka sa Pilipinas? The real Cookie Kid. And Felicity, I like Offspring. That is my favorite band. Offspring. I didn't know this band. What is that? Is it Irish band? Felicity? No. Felicity is from Egypt, right? I didn't know that. Felicity. And Forever BTS, please show your outfit. Yeah, I show you. This is shirt. Forever BTS. What do you mean? Rans, hello, sawadika. Kumusta, Rans? Si Rans, naaday, silo. And Teresa Joy, can you play it? Teresa Joyce. Actually, I cannot play music here because, YouTube is very strict for music. The copyright, right? So, I'm sorry, Teresa Joyce, I cannot play that here. I would like, do you know that, Teresa Joyce? I want to play a music here for, what is it? For the background, just like a background music, but I cannot do that because, YouTube is very strict. And Dinesh Krishna, Reno Tupini. What is that, Dinesh Krishna? Reno Tupini. Tupini. And Rans, good evening po. Pretty host, touch dam, Zambo. Uy, Rans, unsa naman oras diha. And Rachel, Ate France, hi, day, Rachel. Kumusta, day? Nag-live ka, day, Rachel. And Silk Sovereign, akala po naka-live sila, Ben and Ben. Ano po? Silk Sovereign, taga saan ka? Silk Sovereign, salamat sa pagbisita. And Rans, kumusta po, pretty host? Okay lang, Rans. Karon pa jud ko nakakuan kay nabisi ganiha, Rans. Naglimpyo ko. Kumusta, Rans? Dinesh Krishna, Rain Kanto Pini. What does it mean, Dinesh Krishna? What is that? Like Dante, salamat day, Rachel. Kumusta ka, day? Nag-live ka karon? And Rapa Surya, hello. Rapa Surya, where are you from? Thank you for coming. Shout out. And the real Cookie Kid. What grade are you now? Unsa na? Ano ka ng ano? Ano ba tawag doon, oy? Anong grade ka na, the real Cookie Kid? And Felicity, Offspring is punk rock. Oh, I didn't know that, Felicity, because what is it? The new songs, the new band, I didn't know. Because I'm 90s kid. 90 kids. 90 kid. 90s kid. Yeah. Ran, silo boss, Rachel, mo pa'y pag-abot na mo gikan Mandaluyong, guys. Ningadto mo sa ansa man Zamboanga, gikan Mandaluyong. Manila. Layo agon niyo biyahe, Rans. And Rachel, Rans, hello. And Rans, hello, Ma'am Shelo, how are you? How are you? Kuno dai, Shelo. Rachel Amping, Rans. Amping Judia, kay layo, kay mabiyahe ay. Nicole Laurent, hi. It's a long time, Nicole Laurent. How are you today? Hello, shout out, Nicole Laurent. And Ran, salamat po, boss. Rachel, kumusta po? Asa man ka? And Rachel, approve na yung monetization. Wala pa day, dugay day. Kuan na ron. 10 days na. Ang kuan, wala pa. Ang singana na Singana na. Ang AdSense, wala pa day. Dugay kaayo. Later ko live di France. Ikaday hapit na kaday sa kuan sa YPP. Nicole Laurent, hi Fran. Hi Nicole, how are you today? Thank you for coming again. It's been a long time. Hello Nicole. And Rans, it's 6:39 PM po, Madam Franz. So tired but unya o napahulay kay biso-biso sa akong mga pagumangkon. Gimingaw kasi mga pagumangkon. Asa di ka karon? Rans, naka sa Manila? Unsa ba? And Rachel, okay ra ko, Rans, init kaayo oy. Na diri sa day init day. Init. Lumuot kayo, Felicity. How many language do you know? Felicity, I speak Filipino, English, and what do you call this? A little Spanish. Felicity. And Parag, hello Parag. Kumusta Parag? How are you? How are you Parag? Hello Franz, hello Rans, Rachel. Rachel, ngano dugay man ti. Dugay jud daw na day, kuan daw nay uban dali ra. Yan na say uban maabot og 2 to 3 weeks kuno. Oh. Ambot dugaya day. Nakadawat ko atong anday email. Ni ana ni daw nako i-fix niya pag review application ako, igo ako gipa-check atong box para daw ma-approve unsa to niya. I-review daw nila balik. Ambot day oy dugaya day. Naguwat bitaw ko. Anran silo sir para good evening. An Rachel wala pa oy haha wala pa gani ko halfway. Pila naman ni mo watch hours day. Murag hapit naman good ka good. An silo okay ra ako ti. Ati sorry nag-ulan diri sa bukid ron hinay ang wifi. Napariya jud na dito sa amo day silo. Sa mga anuan maghangin-hangin. Hinay ang signal. Say okay day oy. An Rachel, enjoy sa vacation runs. And para good afternoon and good evening. Yeah. Parag, I am good. How are you guys? Na, I'm good here, Parag, but it's very hot. It's too hot here, Parag. And Mia Bolchink. What is that? Bolchink. Chink. Good. Hi, Mia. How are you? Where are you from? Thank you for coming, Mia. And Felicity, I know Japanese and Egyptian and English. I see. Uy, Felicity, where in Egypt do you live? Felicity. And Rachel, ako ani bawlang og ma-monetize ba? Ngano man day, ma-monetize kayo original sa di mga video, di ba? Original man. And Cielo Parag, hi. And Parag, how are you Cielo today? And Cielo, Rachel. Yeah, kaayo ako wife. Watch hours di ba ngano gyud ay. Dali ra na day. Pila na lagi imo watch hours? Ko ana nakaabot na kag 1,000 kapin. Rachel. And Rans just got home in Zamboanga City, Philippines, sir. Parag so tired but all worth it. Home Zamboanga City, Philippines. Sugikan ka Manila, Rans. Tama ba? Rachel, hello, hi. And Daishilo, I'm fine, Parag, Rans. Hello, everyone. And Felicity, do you live in Cairo? So you are from Cairo, Felicity? Am I right? Felicity, I want to visit the Cairo Museum. It's very nice. And Rachel, 1K plus na kuti. Oh, hapit na day. Hapit na. Pagsige lang jud live day. Nya ko ansad kanang upload og long videos ba. Sige lang jud live. And Rans, silo maayo kay nahisgutan pa ko. Abig ako gikalimtan ako nimo. And Rans Felicity, hi. And Parag, Zamboanga City, Philippines, beautiful place. Yeah, Parag, and the people there, they speak Spanish in Zamboanga. Radiant, what happened? No, we're good here, Radiant. How about you? How are you today? And Rachel, wala pa ko ni stop pag April, for sure, 2K na jud ko. Ako, watch hours ron. Unya kay ni stop man ko adto baw lagi unsa pod nasulod sa kong utok. Ayo pag stop day unya na stop ko monetize naka mules na lang kag kuan kanang stream ba kung monetize naka. Sige lang pag live lang gyud. Ako ambot lang kay wala na ko dili naman makita day ang katong sa earn day ba ang requirements di na makita. Naglagot ko pila na ka akong kuan ron. Ako kabaw. Makita siya sa 365 days pero dili pa daw to siya sure nga mao gito ang naa sa public watch hours. Ang naa sa akong kuan kanang 365 days ano na to 3,500. So kuwang na lang ko 500, di ba? Ambot lang. Pero murag di man tumao. Ang kuan jud total niya sa kanang public ba. Ko. Silo ha. And say Kiran, hi say Kiran, where are you from? Thank you for coming. Give me your number. I cannot give my number because you cannot contact me. It's because of long distance say Kiran. It's very expensive. So Parag, how are you doing for that heat front? It's very hot Parag, really. I want to go outside to what you call this, to walk outside ba and make videos, but yeah, it's too hot palag oy. And Rachel hadlok ko ti basig dili ko mamonetize basig bakils lang mamonetize man ka. Padayon na kay kung mahurot ang 365 days mo balik na sa zero, di ba? Kay imo naman na nasugdan ayo pagkapoy-kapoy human na gyud siya. Kay usa ka tuig grabe na ikaw mas usa ka tuig mabalik na sa zero. And Rachel na prostrate mong ko pag ipulilti mo ni post sa akong live. Padayon na lang, bahala lang ginagmay, ay dili taas imo live ba, basta sige lang jud live, kay makuan ra man ang watch hours. And silo, si Ace Ate Mariel also live right now parag, murag wala siya nag live day, ganahan siya sa akong gihimo nga intro day silo, gamiton daw to niya. And Ran sticker po sa hit diha Madam Fran and hit wave po diha. Oh, tinuod jud ka Rans. Na bitaw init lagi kay diri. Init. And parag silo, which season do you like? Winter parag. I like winter. Because parag even winter there is a sun but the weather is cold. Wherever you go, it's not hot because the weather is cold. And Rachel, there init dira ignorance. And Rachel, dapat lagi ma-monetize ko ron nga year te kay naa ako goal next year. Gani day, kano sa amang kasugod day o kuan kanang singan ani oy. Kano sa gi ka nagsugod day nag live. Murag dungan manggod ta day nag live ta, di ba? And parag stay hydrated friend, it would be difficult na to live alone in a foreign country. Yeah, you are right parag. Yeah, actually, I have here water. Yeah, I have water here and I have water there as well. Nice, very little na lang. And Rans, na-frustrate ka, boss. Rachel, mag-away mo that time sa imong Kuya Bells, no? Ay. Padayon lang, day, Rachel. Ayaw, kapoy-kapoy, dira. Ako day kapoy na magay ko day say malabad ako uoy pero ako ni padayon non day kay sugda naman. Ga-start ko live. Dungan ra day ta. March man pod ko nagsugod parag. Right parag I start stream March. May right parag. Kay saksi mi si parag pag stream nako. Mao man say pag appeal niya sa akong kuan. Sa akong live streaming. Right, parag I do stream March, right? So, kay pag April, naadto mo katog Girona, di ba? Nakinumdum ko, naadto kong Girona sa immigration. Lagi March, lagi ko nagsugoday. Parag is Ate Mariel also live right now? Parag, does that means that Mariel is live? Yeah, parag. Silo asking you if Mariel is do streaming as well right now. And Rachel, dili ran sige biyaan ko sa akong kabit adto joke. And parag wait. And Rachel, maximum 3 hours ra ko mag-live te. Ako sa una day ka maabot kog 6 hours nya labad na kay ko. Malabad ato oy. Pero lagi naabot na ako pero okay sa kaayo na ambot lang. Mayon tama ma-approve na to eh. And Rachel, unya wala na ko mag-upload og video ko kay ko anta today maski wala ka nag-live pag April sige ta ka to upload. Sige ta ka upload kay murag ang long videos kung tan-awon lang sa tao humanon tan na dako kay nga watchers imo makuha. Naran tugaan Pipoy B, ingat po boss Rachel sa kainit, don't worry po boss, gaulan-ulan man diri sa Banga, na may padira, Rans, nag-uwan, and parag March 4 to 2026, she did regular live, morag March 4 ko nag-start, day, Rachel, yeah, parag is, correct, morag March 4 ko nag-start og stream, day, Rachel, and no, Mariel is not live, selo, murag wala si Mariel ro murag nagkuan siguro to naglaag nag-video ba day silo. Yeah, parang maybe Mariel is going out to to go somewhere and take video for content. No, Rachel, haha, itugaan pipoy runs. Pertinita judiri ay na init sad gani kay diri day. Kuan man guni diri kanang ang dagat diri bagi kanang konektado sa ay kuan siya ang dagat diri Mediterranean Sea ba. Gikan sa kuan Morocco, Africa be ng Morocco. Duol ra man ang Spain ug Morocco. Lovely stories. Hi, lovely stories. How are you? Thank you for coming. How are you today? And mas ingat po sa heat wave, Madam Fran. Health is more important kaysa sa mga uyab-uyab. Tinuod yung karads. And Rachel, basta na-frustrate ko adto panahon na. Gani day Rachel, padayon na day. Ay na pag frustrate di ha. Bahala na sila. Padayon na imong stream. And take it easy. Hola, hi, take it easy. Como estas? Take it easy. Kumabatsu. And parag, no, Fran, Mariel is busy with John. With John? But I think parag right now, the time in the Philippines is 6:49 in the afternoon. Ay, in the evening. Yan, Rans, hi, take it easy. Yan, parag, take it easy. Hola, brother. And Rachel, sakto, Rans. And lovely stories. Hi, 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 lovely stories. How are you today? And take it easy. How is everyone today? I'm good. Take it easy. How about you? Lovely stories official. Thank you for the heart. Lovely stories. And parang take it easy. How you been? And take it easy, bien. Oh, you speak Spanish. Take it easy. And lovely stories. You look like my friend. Is it? Where your friend came from? Lovely stories. And Rachel, last kita ko ako gi-share ni mo nga naulawan ko yati siya. Ayo lagi pag apikto na. Diri gay day naglagot ko day na ini apil diri bag-o lang to siya diri day ha. Iya bitaw ko gidaot sa lain live laguta lagi nako. Gidaot ko niya sa lain live. Nay nisumbong nako diri ba viewers nga na gidaot ka didto ana. Wala pa ko kaila niya laguta lagi nako. Pero ako papa apikto day oy. Ni apil jud ko sa live sa katong iyang gisultian dito ni apil ko ako gingnan nga pataka bisig tabi wa man ko kaila ana niya. Ni join na sa akong live 1 week ra. Baka kun ka siya day. Laguta lagi nako day. Mariel andyan on video call for 24 hours no break. How do you know parag? How do you know parag? No, oy, Mariel is out. I think she go around somewhere and runs for a minute. Everyone please excuse me. Asa ka run si Shilo nadaot daw iyang internet hinay daw. And take it easy. Anything exciting happened lately? What do you mean take it easy? Yeah, it's the same. Take it easy. Yeah, we're here. We're talking and laughing. Take it easy. How about you, dear? Take it easy. No work today. And Rachel, visit lagi to siya. Uy, okay, saran sabi. Gani, day, ayo ba pikto, day, daghan. Giingnan bitaw ti kaday nga. Gidaot ko sa line live. Wala ba siya ko kaila to niya, tukahan na to siya. Pero ako nagpapikto, ayo papikto. Padayon. And lovely stories of Pisha. She's Filipino. She's such a sweetheart. Oh, I see. Yeah, I am from the Philippines. Lovely stories. How about you? Lovely stories. Where are you from? And Anita Aranas. Hello. Yeah, kumusta? Anita Aranas and Parag. Take it easy. What is that? Nothing is special, brother. Old ones are not here. No DP, no Colin. Yeah. I don't know where is Colin Care is not here now. Take it easy. And Aswang is busy with this. Take it easy. Work all day, work. Take it easy. Yeah, no work today. Very sad, Parag. How's Haley? Take it easy. And run sa stop pod akong kasing-kasing, Madam Fran, adaot pod ang signal mo ulan pero O pariha jud na sila sa kuan sa dito sa mua ran si kay Sisilo nagpuyo mo na sa unsay nga na nagpuyo mo na siya sa bukid pariha basta maghangin-hangin maguan-uwan makuan ang unsay nga na ang signal nya ako sa replyan Shilo kay ni chat siya sa kung kuan Instagram ingon siya nga dili nawala daw iya signal ko okay ra ako ingon okay ra day tawag ta ni Shilo. Where am I now? Makapumuti oy sagdi na lang laban di pa diri gani ay pa pikto day bahala to sila day ay na lang pag-appeal ato sa, sa iyang stream ako wala ko pakialam bisag nitabang ko sa tao kung dili siya mo appeal diri okay ra ba kay na naka singa na naka kasabot ra pod ko kinahanglan sad siya di ba kay nag-call ba sad siya nag vlog di ba so bahala siya basta nakatabang lang sa kuniya di ba day Tikit she's good she's still asleep what time is it there Tikit Easy right now and Rachel ambot ni Moran sa ha 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 and parag only hilarious thing happen was Swaziland oy ano parag si who is that oy Tiburcio parag right from Swaziland and Rachel ayaw pag uyab-uyab rans wala na ay and Tikit Easy Swaziland yeah in Southern Africa Tikit Easy Swaziland I here viewers from Swaziland Southern Africa and parag ask Fran yeah Tiburcio is from Swaziland and Rachel og ako'y single ron di ko magminyo gyud better jud ko rans and wala na ko mag-visit sa iya live ti oy bahala po to siya unsa ay lain kay day gusto siya nga nitabang siya nimo day sige sad ka sa iya live ako dili ko musuko di ko musuko lagi ko gitabangan diri Mariel ako gay buhatan og intro wala ra nako lain man yung anak day lain yung anak day ha kanang hadlok na malabuan sa dingunana ay na pag-appeal ato yang live bahala to siya Tikit Easy 6:54 AM ay it's early in the morning have you had your breakfast Tikit Easy and Rachel yes the truth nis isig paning kakay gyud gani ako di ko musuko day ikaw na ang kadiri no magsahay mo appeal bang kadiri nya mag-live sa ka dili ko masuko masuko bang ka oy malipay na lang ka kay nakatabang sa ka di ba ako sabot ra ko kay nga naam sa game mo naningkam pa sa ka para ma-monetize ka di ba so masuko man Rans lagi boss Rachel salamat sa advice pero dawato na ko bisag mali bahalag sakit kayo at least I tried Bang Daniel hi Franny hi Daniel how are you today Daniel and Rachel exit to tiha kayo na sige day pag live na dara day para mapuna na mo watch hours ba truth needs day Augusto mo tabang dili unta magkwenta gani day diri gani mag-promote magani ko diri kanang mga nasa mga channel ba mag-live sila mo usay mo appeal ko usay dili kay mag-live sad ko pero dili ko masuko kung di sila mo appeal sa mukha jud karan so Tikit Easy not yet organs aren't ready yet oh my goodness you eat organs Tikit Easy what organs is that is it for from pork what is it beef Agustino official kamusta ka aka po hi Agustin it's your new Agustin your new channel Agustin official too hello aka it's me Batman yeah it's you Agustin I know you Vanakam Agustin kumusta aka po I'm good how about you kumusta ka Agustin only snake Tikit Easy does snake have organs I didn't know Naa ba guys? Organ ang snake. Rachel na visit jud ko niya tinawlawon jud ko ato di ko kalimot sa iya gibuhat na ko as imura kung nawala ako. Na basag di ito siya di bitaw to nimo kaila sa ano personal. Bahala to siya di. Bahala to siya dayoy. Pari naam basta mo apil taan ay basta mag-inani ta day naa magyunay mga inaana day mga basher naatanan. Ato lagi bag-o lang. Gidaot ko sa lain live. Pakauwa wala ba ko kaila to niya. Agustin Official, Hacker Anurag. Hi, Hacker Anurag. How are you today? Thank you for coming. Agustin, I am good. Aka po. What are you doing today, Agustin? It's Saturday, right? And Sinichi Garcia. Hi, Sinichi Garcia. Taga saan ka? Pilipino ka, no? Sinichi Garcia. And Rachel, daghan pa dyan siya og viewers ti. Misit lagi. Ay, napag-apil ato. Sa di ito siya, Rachel. Ay napag-apil day. Bahala to siya day. Hadlok to siya malabuan. Lain na ingon anak kinaiya. Gusto niya kay gitabangan kaniya mo kuan sa ganiya mo sana kuan kag utang na loob mo singa na oy. Mo apil sa kapirmi siyang live ba para makuan siya. Maniya gusto siguro. Auntie Kitty, I'm joking but I will eat later. Yeah, what food? Take it easy. What breakfast you will eat later? And Agustin, I am using my laptop. Aka po. I see. Yeah, Agustin, what are you doing today? What is your plan? And Miss Yung Mo. Hello, Miss Yung Mo. How are you? Moji is looking for you, Miss Yung Mo. Last week, Moji is joining here. Last week, Miss Yung Mo. How are you today, Miss Yung Mo? You're so busy. It's been a long time. And Sinichi Garcia, I'm from Philippines. Yeah, Sinichi Garcia, taga Pilipinas din ako, taga Cebu. Ikaw, Sinichi Garcia, do you believe God? Of course, Jesus Christ, Sinichi Garcia. Yeah, Sinichi Garcia, taga saan ka? Saan ka sa Pilipinas? And Rachel, mayo gani, dili ko patulira, cute. Buutan lang dyan. Ayaw papatuli, pasag di ito siya, day. Kaya kung magpatul ka, day. Itabi-tabi nung kasalanan niya nya katong mga tao sa dito nya kung mga pil sa imong live pakwawad sad ka mao bitaw to tong ako sad kawawan ko dito sa lain live nya pero ni-appeal jud ko dito kay ako gingan nga ko kaila niya nya wa siya kaila nako pero nganong nagtabi man siya diri lain nga wa man na siya kaila nako gingnan taga India man na siya nya ako Pilipino ako gingnan kaila day siya nako nganong mo judge man siya gingnan day diri siya sa akong live ako siya tarungon day dito gidaot ko niya di ko na siya ganahan ako kay bla 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 ambot lang niya. And Felicity, I feel sick. What happened to you, Felicity? Why? Do you have flu, Felicity? What is it? Miss Yung Mo, I'm fine sis. How are you? I'm good as well, Miss Yung Mo. Moji is looking for you last time here. He said that Miss Yung Mo is still here. I said, I didn't see Miss Yung Mo anymore. Maybe she's busy at school. I said, Miss Yung Mo. And Rachel Rans, naapakadira. Nawa na si Rans, kaya nawa masasilo dahil. And Agustin, I am Russian. Russian karon. You are India. Agustin, Tamil Nadu. And Rachel, attitude Judy. Gani, day. Ako, day. Kuan. Di ko masuko. Na ika gani, nakadiri ha. Wag ko nasuko ni mo. Dili ko ingunan na. Lain-lain dyan batasan ng tao, day, no? Naay ka ng kuan. Masuyaon. Na dili gusto makuha na isigataw, di ba? Dili gusto siya ra. Muna na. Felicity, my head hurts and I threw up. Uy, Felicity. I think it's because of the heat there. It's very hot there, Felicity. Drink water, Felicity. Drink more water. Stay hydrated, Felicity. And Rachel BRB ko tiya, sige day, pag live na dito day. Kay para mapuna na mo is the imo watch hours. And Miss Yung Mo, where is he? He, Muji, are you here? No, Muji is not here, Miss Yung Mo. He is here last week. He joined here. And take it easy, not sure. You seen Evelyn or anyone lately? Evelyn, take it easy. She only join here sometimes. Not always. Unlike before, but she's always here. And ano, who is that? Only Parag is here. Ano, take it easy. Only Parag. And Felicity, I love you. Yeah, Felicity, you need to stay hydrated there. I think Egypt is very hot as well there. And Cookie, hey people, hi Cookie. How are you today, Cookie? Good afternoon because it's 1 now, right? And Rachel, ako po di ko masukot. Oy, daghan na kayo ko mga live streamer nga akong gisuportan like mo stage ko sa ilang live unya dili sila mudong sa ako live okay ra jud kayo ti wala jud naman. Pariyata dai dili man ko suko dai oy. Di ko masuko. Si Mariel gani musahi mo ari diri. Nya mag-live si Mariel. Nya ang akong viewers madto sa ni Mariel di ko masuko. Malipay nun ko kay para makuan sa siya ba sana ang iya sang watch hours mo taas. Sad okay ra man ako good. Di mo ko masuko. Kay naram say mo sod sad ana. Diba? And Cookie, yeah, I'm lazy today. What is the topic? Why you are lazy today, Cookie? What happened? Because yesterday, Cookie, you use bicycle to go to the zoo? What is it? What is the topic? The topic is it's a random topic. We can talk anything, Cookie. Yeah, Cookie, the triddle neck ba? I wanna try that. Triddle neck. In check. Cookie. And 8 viewers, shout out, and 12 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you so much guys. Cookie, what are you doing today? Have you had your lunch, Cookie? Because it's 1, right? It's 1:06. The time now, it's 1:06. Cookie, you gotta learn how to pronounce it, otherwise the vendor won't understand. How to pronounce that, Cookie? I didn't know. What is it? Triddle neck? What is that? And Parta Saruti, good evening, Auntie. Hi, Parta. How are you? How are you, Parta? Thank you for coming. Again, welcome to my stream again. Auntie, Japan got eliminated from the FIFA. Why? What happened? Why they are eliminated from the FIFA? What happened? Because I didn't watch FIFA World Cup, Parta. Not well at all. Why you're not well? What happened? Because of Japan got eliminated? What is it? What happened to you? They lose against Brazil 2-1. Oh, sorry to hear about that. Why, Parta? Do you do you like the Japan team? Nag-live man si Mariel, oh. They lose against Brazil 2.1. 7 viewers, shout out, and 13 likes. Agustin, no, I'm from Russia, but I'm originally from Tamil Nadu in South India. My grandfather. Agustin, oy. Last time, Agustin, you said I am here in America. Turtleneck? Cookie, am I right, Cookie? Is it right, the pronunciation? Turtleneck. And Parta Saruti, Auntie, how are you? Parta, I'm good. Yeah. How about you, Parta? How are you today? Cookie. What is it? Uy? Am I right? Turtleneck? Turtleneck. Turtleneck? 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 What is it? What is the correct pronunciation? No, I don't know how to transcribe the last part. A moment, Cookie. I will listen how to pronounce that. Chekeya. What is it? Chekeya. Moment, Cookie, ha? Tridel. Tridelnik. Nah, I don't know Cookie. It's very hard to pronounce. Tridelnik. Tridelnik. Nah, I don't know Cookie. I think the vendor will understand Cookie if I go and then I tell the Tridelnik. And then they said, okay. Yeah, because they will understand because they say that I am what do you call this, Asian. I am not from Czech. Sredelnik. Good. Wait, Cookie, have you had your lunch, Cookie? Sredelnik. Baby, hi. Where are you from, BB? Thank you for coming here, BBH5M3V. Sredelnik. Sredelnik. Philippines. Saan ka sa Pilipinas, BB? Thank you for coming here, BB. And Kim, Kin, your smile can turn a bad day into a good day. Hi, is it Kin? Hi, hello Kin. Thank you for coming here. Where are you from, Kin? And Cookie, yeah, just finished. I'm waiting for washing machine. You are using the what do you call this? Washing machine? You wash your laundry? Cookie, you wash laundry today? Is it? From Alabama, USA. Shout out, Kin, from Alabama, USA. Thank you for coming. Yeah, how old are you, Kin? Thank you for coming here. And Know Your Creator, love from Bangladesh. Shout out, Know Your Creator from Bangladesh. How are you today? Thank you for coming here. And Cookie, yeah, Lundiri. Lundiri. I see. Know your Creator. Worship the Creator, not His creation. Say your Creator is only one. He is self-sufficient. He begat, not for He begotten. There is nothing like to Him. Quran, C 112. Yeah, and Kin, 42. I see. So, Kin, are you single or married? How is it? And Cookie, did you have your lunch, Fran? Not yet, Cookie. Actually, I will cook soon. Yeah, I will cook soon. What do you have for your lunch, Cookie? What did you eat? You cook, son? What do you mean I cook, son? What is it? Ano, cookie? You cook, son? You mean you cook soon? Yes, soon. I will cook soon, cookie. Pratik. Hi, Pratik. How are you? Thank you for coming, Pratik. Where are you from? And cookie. Spring rolls and legume mix with chicken. Uy, it's very delicious food. Wow. Can I have some, cookie? Your food, cookie, is so delicious. And Agustin, Aka, you from USA. Agustin, I am not from USA. You always, you are not from Russia and USA. You are from Tamil Nadu. Agustin. And Cookie, what you gonna make Filipino food? Rice. Because rice is life, Cookie. And I will think what pair I will cook later, Cookie. Yeah, I will look for, I will look there on the fridge. Cookie, I don't know yet. I'm trying making healthy food. Yeah, and Cookie, how about you, Cookie? Can I ask you, what kind of Filipino food do you wanna try one day, Cookie? And Edwin, hi, Miss Fran. Hi, Edwin. How are you today? And how's Lulu Charmin? How's Lulu Charmin? Edwin CB and Agustin. I am already saying no. I am from Russia, but I'm originally from Tamil Nadu in South India. And my grandfather was communist. And he has with the Red Army. Ambot ni mo, Agustin. Oy, kapoy ni mo. Edwin, happy Independence Day to all Americans around the world. Yeah, happy Independence Day there to all Americans. Yeah. Take it easy. Happy Independence Day there. For viewer shout out, and what's Filipino food you suggest? No, you need to Cookie, because I ask you first. Cookie. And Edwin, Lolo is healthy again, thanks to God. Ay, nice. Yeah, thank God that she's recovering now. She's good now, Edwin. So she eat now, Edwin. She eat now again. And Agustin, do you know Red Army? I didn't know that, Agustin. I have no idea about the Red Army. And Cookie, I have to look for some. I don't have a plan yet. Okay, just search it. Just search there to Uncle Google. Cookie. Be right back. Okay, Cookie, take your time. Agustin, I didn't know the Red Army. What is that? I didn't know that. I will explain Red Army. Okay? I will listen. What is that? Aka, I know you're using. Agustin, do I look like American? Agustin? What do you think, Agustin? Do I look like American? 4 viewers, shout out, and 16 likes. Thank you so much, guys. No, no, you look like Tamil girl. My goodness, I don't understand you, oy. Ano, Agustin, I didn't understand. Aka, you will come to my house. How can I come to your house, Agustin? I don't understand what you are talking, Agustin. I don't understand. I am saying you will come to Tamil Nadu. You can come to my home. Yeah, one day. Agustin, why not? One day. If I go to India, I hope one day I can come there. And then if I will go there, I will visit you. And Kalpana, and what is it called? And Navi. Right? Agustin. I did know. I did know. What is that? What do you mean? What time is it there? Agustin? What time is it there? Right now. You say what day come to your home, and I say I did know. Why? Why you say why is that? I don't understand, Agustin. I say I did know. You what day come to your home? I am say I did know. Is it, Agustin? I am loading. I didn't understand. Six viewers, shout out, and 16 likes. 4:53 p.m. It's afternoon. Have you had your lunch, Agustin? You already had your lunch? Rayonard, isang malupit na pagbati. Hello, Rayonard. Thank you for coming here. Shout out. Isang malupit na pagbati din sa iyo. Taga saan ka, Rayonard? Saan ka sa Pilipinas? Rayonard. Yeah, Rayonard. Shout out live from Hawaii. Hi. Shout out, Rayonard from Hawaii. Ilang taon ka na, Rayonard? Saan ka sa Pilipinas? Si Rayonard. Salamat sa pagbisita, ha, Rayonard. Ano ba tawag doon? Nag-i-stream ka din ba, Rayonard? Nagba-vlog? Aka, do you watch Argentina match? No, I didn't watch Agustin. What is it? The World Cup football? I didn't watch. How about you, Agustin? Do you like football, Agustin? Did you watch? For viewers, shout out and 17 likes. Hello. Shout out, guys. Aswang, hi. Cookie, pansit kanto, pansit bihon, oy. Easy. I know how to cook that cookie, pansit bihon. Yeah. I love that, pansit bihon cookie. I know how to cook that. Aswang, hi. How are you today, Aswang? Oh, Aswang is here. Aswang, many people are looking for you. Aswang, how are you doing? Just got a time. How was your day, Aswang? How was your day? How was your school? And Cookie, you? Hello, Aswang. Yeah. And Ego Fighting Aka Mariel was making live stream Aka. Yeah. I watch her as well here. I watch her. Did you upload the video, Fran? Yes, Aswang, I did yesterday. You didn't see? I upload there the my new video, Aswang, yesterday. And Cookie, nice cook and sent through tube mail. Tube mail. No, Cookie, when I go, if ever I can go to Czech Republic, I can cook pansit bihon for you. Cookie. And Abby, hi Abby, how are you today? Hi Fran, hi bro, DP. How are you, Abby? Thank you for coming here. Miss you all. Yeah, miss you all na, Aswang ay. Fran, okay, I will see that video. Thank you, Aswang. How are you today, Aswang? And Abby, how are you today, Abby? And Eagle Fighting. Hi, Eagle Fighting. What is that? Abby, Mayor by Kasiho, brother. And Aswang, hello, brother. And DM, good, miss you, bye. And Mac Muslims, if you found a shrunk person in your shoe, what would you do? Shrunk? What is it? What does it mean? I don't understand. Ano? Mac Muslims? Very good, Eagle. How are you, my UFC brother? Mac Muslims, I will give it to the person who can have the size. Yeah. And where am I now? Cookie, very good, Brad. Yeah, Cookie, if I go to Czech, I will cook pansit bihon for you. And Eagle Fighting DP Aswang, I am good, brother. And Aswang, me too. I am missing French channel. Thank you, Aswang. I miss talking to you, Aswang, as well. But yeah, you need to focus there. And Abby, France, today the temperature is 37. Uy, my goodness, Abby, it's very hot. Here, Abby, the temperature here, it's 29 degrees Celsius. But it's sunny. It's very hot. My goodness, Abby, it's very hot there. 37. And Rosemont, hi, bye. I changed my profile picture. Hi, Rosemont. Yes, you changed it. Yeah, it's green. What is that? And Aswang, please like and subscribe the channel, guys. Thank you, Aswang. Aswang, how was your day, Aswang? How was your day there? How about you, Abby? How was your day? And Cookie, what are you doing now? What is that? And Rosemont, green pony, it's a green pony, a green horse. Ah, yeah, it's very cute, Rosemont. Your profile photo, it's very cute. It's green, right? And Aswang, Fran, ma'am, yeah, it's busy every day, not getting much time. Yeah, but it's okay, Aswang. You need to focus your study there. So how is it? How was your study, Aswang? Everything is good? And Abby, don't ask about the day I'm roasted today in the sun. Abby, you stay inside your house. What is it? Or you go outside? How was Lucy there and Lily? Abby and Rosemont, eat from a little pony. Eat from my little pony. Ah, nice, very cute, Rosemont. Yeah. Your profile photo. An Eagle Fighting Aka, do you know Red Army? Agustin, I don't know that. I didn't know what is Red Army, Agustin. What is that, Agustin? What is Red Army? Six viewers, shout out, and 20 likes. Thank you, guys. And Ali Risa, what's up, sir? I'm good, Ali. How about you? What's up, sir? Ali Risa, where are you from? Thank you for coming. Rusmon, the character from MLP in my picture is named Poison Berry. So that ano, in your profile photo, Rusmon, the name is Poison Berry. What is that? From MLP, my picture is named Poison Berry. Okay, Poison Berry. And Aswang, yeah, Fran, how is Parag, Kalpana, and the other guys? Parag is here earlier, Aswang. And I think she joined to Maria's live today. Yeah. And Abby, they are doing good, Fran. I was outside for 5 hours due to some work now. I am inside my house, lock everything, pulled all the curtains, and now I'm in Dracula. But Abby, you are using your air conditioner, right? There? Because 37, my goodness, it's so hot. And Rosmon, MLP is a shirt for my little pony. Oh, I see. What is that, ano, Rosmon? Is it a game? Or what is it? A cartoon movie? An eagle fighting the Red Army was formed against the Christian priest of Krish because those priests said that being born poor and being slaves was the way to get heaven. The Red Army was launched to Opus. I didn't know that eagle fighting. But eagle fighting, I want to search about the, what is it, in Tamil Nadu ba, that you telling the last time that there the archaeologists found some there dinosaurs bones or fossil, right? I will search that about that. It's very interesting. And Aswang, Abi is laughing Aswang. And Abi, yes, I do using. Better you, Abi, you have air conditioner there. But here, Abi, the people is house here, no air conditioner. But some, they have electric fan. And some people, they only open the window, right? Yeah, they like my neighbors there, they are open their windows. Yeah, and Rosmon, it shows to search it, please. Rosmon, I cannot search it because I am using only this phone. And Ten said, hi Ten, where are you from? Thank you for coming, Ten. Shout out. Yeah, Swang, I what is it? I upload new video yesterday, If you have time, Aswang, you can watch it. Use the other phone. Yeah, I don't have the other phone here. It's low bat. I charge. Yet, Rosmon. I charge it yet. Oh, okay. What are you doing today, Rosmon? You have no class? Rosmon? And ego fighting, okay, Aka po. Yeah, it's very interesting about the dinosaur fossils there, eagle fighting, Agustin. I will make a research about that. Is it real, eagle fighting? That there is a dinosaur fossils there, found in Tamil. And Rosmon, my spray paint ran out and I buy a new one, it's color pink. Rosmon, do you like pink color? What is it? Rosmon, what is your favorite color? Why you have what is it? A spray pink, color pink. Yes, pink is my favorite color. I see. My favorite color is like this, royal blue. I like royal blue color. This one, my shirt. And Aswang Fran, ma'am, how is your day going there? Did you make champurrado there? No, I didn't make champurrado here. Aswang is very hot. I need dessert aswang. Like ice cream, or mango float, aswang, or halo-halo, uh, or fruit salad, aswang. That's what I want because it's cold. But champorado, it's too hot for champorado. And eagle fighting, yes, dinosaur eggs and dinosaur fossils were found. Not only that, but I also got the palm tree trunk. Is it? It's so interesting, Agustin. I will do research about that. And Rosemont and also forest green. Ah, yeah. Rosemont, you have no class for today. Ah, yeah, it's Saturday, right? So what is your plan for today, Rosemont? What are you doing today? An aswang, halo-halo, really nice friend, you make it. Yeah, that one aswang, I love that. I love to eat halo-halo because it's ano cold. Nothing. Yeah. So what is it, Rosmo? What time is it there on your in your country? How about you, aswang? Have you had your lunch, aswang? I think it's afternoon now there, right? Aswang. And aswang Fran, yeah, but so many work they give. Like for 2 to 3 days, my breakfast and lunch is getting skipped. Uy, it's not good aswang. You don't need to skip. My goodness, even a little aswang you need to eat a little food. And Rosmo 9 and kinda sunset at my place. Yeah, what time is it on? Night? So what time is it? 6, 7? What is it? Rosmon. It's very hot here, aswang. Oy, hot. I like to go outside aswang to make videos again, but it's too hot. Yeah, Fran needs to get time. It's becoming hard, but slowly will adjust. I don't know. I don't know. I don't actually know. You don't know the time there, Rosmon? What is it? And aswang, yeah, Fran needs to get time. It's becoming hard, but slowly will adjust. Fran, no monsoon still in Spain. No, aswang. Oh, it's very hot here, aswang. Last time, aswang, it's very hot, but there is wind. It's windy. But now, here, based on the, what do you call this? The internet, is it a heat warning in effect? It says, it's very, hot. I like when cold weather. And aswang, my goodness, Spain is slowly become Philippines in terms of weather. Yeah, aswang. But aswang, the summer here it's only 3 months or 2 months. Yeah. And August, I think what is it? The cold it's started, right? Because I remember last year, during the August, I feel the cold little by little. Yeah. And Augustine, what I'm trying to say is that palm tree have been with us since the time of dinosaurs. Meaning, they have been in our Tamil country, Tamil Nadu. Ah, you mean the palm tree? Yeah, Augustine, palm tree is everywhere. But what I am talking about, Augustine, is about the dinosaur fossils. It's so interesting. Yeah, and Rosemont, remember when someone in chat said, gay, well, I'm gay. Ay, Rosemont, are you gay? What is it, Rosemont? Are you? What is it? And aswang, but this year I don't know what happened while Europe is facing the problem. Yeah, aswang. I don't know. I hope on August, it's not very hot like now. Yeah. Rusmon, yep, I'm gay. I say, I think I know you, Rusmon. Are you Winston? Rusmon? Do you know Winston? I think you are Winston. Rusmon. Aswang, right? Because it's the same. The time when Winston is joining here. But this year I don't know what happened. How about there Aswang? It's not hot there in your place. Rosmon what? Yeah, this is it, Rosmon. And Agustin, okay. Yeah, that one Agustin. And if I already search about that Agustin, we talk about that, the dinosaur, because it's very interesting. Agustin. And Aswang, it's hot and humid here. Oh, how many degree Aswang? Because Abby says that in his place it's 37. It's very hot. And Rusmon, bye-bye. I'm going in other stream. Okay, Winston, bye-bye. Hey, Winston, you again come back? Yes, Aswang. I think he is. Look. I think he is Aswang. It's the same when Winston is here joining. He said he doesn't like my stream, but why he came back, right? Aswang. No more such people. Yes. 3 viewers, shout out, and 21 likes. Thank you guys. Yeah, Aswang, I miss talking to you, Aswang. Aswang, I upload na new video, ha. And please like and comments, Aswang, if ever you watch that. Yeah. And Augustine, the Philippines and Vietnam are neighboring countries. So, even in Vietnam, there will be a Tamil inscriptions. Because a king named Raja, what is a Chola, rolled from Tamil Nadu to Vietnam. So, it will be there too. I heard that about Pugal says that, Augustine, that in, Vietnam, Singapore, they speak Tamil. What is it? And Aswang, I will definitely see Fran. What is that, police? What do you call that? Fire, what is it? Firefighter? Yeah, because yesterday Aswang here, the building there near the what do you call this? Port, it's, burning. There is a fire. Yeah, yesterday. Because, it's too hot here. But yeah. Thank God because the firefighter killed the fire. It will definitely see Fran. And Fran, really, it's because of hot. Yeah, it's because of the hot Aswang. I mean Aswang, if it's if there is a fire, it's very dangerous Aswang if there is wind. Because if there is wind, right, so the fire will scatter, will spread, right, because of the wind. So it's too dangerous if there is wind. Yesterday it's very windy here, but it's still hot. Yeah, you are right, ma'am. Yeah, and what eagle fighting, there will be people who speak Tamil even in Africa because India separated from Africa. There may be Tamil speaking people in Africa too. Yeah, eagle fighting. I think Tamil is everywhere because Tamil is an old language. Yeah, old language. Aswang, what are you doing now? Do you still studying, Aswang? What is it? I am not bothering you there, Aswang. Adrian, hello again. Hi, Adrian. How are you again? Salamat. Thank you for coming here again, Adrian. How are you? Augustine, that's what I'm seeing. Most of the words that start with the letter S in English are Tamil words. And Adrian, good. How are you? I'm good as well, Adrian. What are you doing today, Adrian? It's not hot there in your country. And Aswan just got free. After some time, I will again study. And Aswan, so you completed Sangres Fran? No, I didn't, what do you call this? I didn't complete, watching Aswang right now. But yeah, I don't need to watch that again Aswang because I already, watch that in the TV. And day, hello, kumusta day? Okay na mo, kuandara day, internet? Na si Aswang day na And Adrian, it rained today. Wow, nice there, Adrian. Here, it's too hot. I want, rain. It's very hot, Adrian. Here. And Aswang, hello, where are you? What time is it there, Adrian? In your country, what time is it? And Aswang, hello, where were you? Day, okay na kadira, day? Yung internet, okay na, day, hello? Is it okay now? Your internet? And Adrian, it's 7:51 p.m. Oh, it's night. So, have you had your dinner, Adrian? Is it Wesley Rutich? Hi, Wesley. Thank you for coming here, Wesley. How are you doing, beautiful? I'm good, Wesley. How about you? How are you doing today, Wesley? Wesley Rutich, yeah. Rutich. Am I right? How to pronounce your name? Where are you from, Wesley? Thank you for coming here, ha. 5 viewers, shout out, and 22 likes. Thank you so much, guys. Ate, makaulit gyud ning wifi. Ana gina siya day basta nagi ka sa province day nya mag 101 og hangin mawagtang-wagtang naana sa tong among aday dito sa Katmon sa una. And Wesley, I'm doing good, beautiful, only that I miss you so much. Oy, thank you so much, Wesley. Wesley, can I ask you again, where are you from again? Can I ask? If you don't mind me to ask again, Wesley. Sige lang, day. Kuan, singa na kanang maulian ra na, day, oy. Ugma, basig okay na ugma, day, silo. Anak man na, day. Kay kuan mangguday kanang singa na dili daghan og kuan dira ba unsa gi pangalan na tower ba sa signal. Anak pud sa amo sa una day sa katon. Basta magwala-wala ang internet wa milingaw day. Mo to sa una magkuan na lang sad ko magtanom-tanom. And Aswang Fran, ma'am, what about the castle? Did you go there, which is up in the mountains? In Toroya Montgray, Aswang. I never go there yet, Aswang, because it's very hot. I want to go there, but it's very hot. You know, Aswang, from the highway, okay, let's see, the bus is here, right? But you need to walk. Maybe you walk on the highway, just like 10 minutes. 10 minutes, Aswang, and then after that you will walk on the mountain. It's 30 minutes plus, I think 39 minutes you need to climb before you will arrive there at the top on the on the castle, Aswang. And Wesley, I'm working in Doha, Qatar, but I'm from Kenya. Yeah, I think I know you. I remember you, Wesley. Yeah. You are working at on the airport, Wesley? Am I right? And silo ati dili ka mag-live ugma Sunday. Mag-live man ko day buntag. Mag-live ko day oy buntag. Pero gabi day dili ko mag-live pero murag kuan ako day kadali ako kay murag basig mulakaw ko inig hapon kay mag video ko hasta ko ani mapunta. Ya day silo. Buntag day ayo ka balaka day. Tawa man tani mo oy. Sagi lang good. Monica, hi. Ay, Monica, you remember? Yes, Monica. How are you today? It's been a long time. Hi, Monica. And Aswang friend, my goodness, it will be hard to travel in this hot void, ma'am. Yeah, that is why Aswang. It's very hard to go there. Maybe I will go to Piratalyada. It's very nice medieval town, Aswang. Piratalyada. Yeah, I will try. Because, yeah, I never been there yet. Piratalyada. And Wesley still in Spain? Yes, Wesley. I'm still here, but it's very hot here. How about there in Qatar, Wesley? How's the weather? There is not hot, Wesley. And Aswang friend, ma'am, what about YPP? Yeah, Aswang, still in progress. I don't know. It's 10 days now, but the AdSense is still in progress. It didn't yet because what do you call that, there is a note there, it takes for 2 to 3 weeks, and some what is it, some what is it, review only for a days. But yeah, it takes for 2 to 3 weeks, they said. I don't know. And Cielo Aswang, hi. And Aswang, hello, hi Cielo, is internet not good? Yeah, Aswang, her internet's not good. Sorry. No, okay ra day ayo kabalaka day. Tawa pa tadi mo day Cielo, eh. Zaid Edit, hi. How are you, Zaid Edit? Thank you for coming. Where are you from, Zaid Edit? I think I know you. You've been here, right? You changed your profile. That is why. And Aswang friend, oh, I hope it happened fast. Yeah, that is why Aswang. I hope it happened fast. And yeah, and I hope Aswang I can reach the 4K so that the monetization will be full, right? Fully monetization. I get fully monetization, but I hope. Zaid Didix, how are you? I'm good, Zaid. How about you there? And Wesley, it's very, very hot here too. Yeah, it's the same here, Wesley. How many degree there, Wesley? Here, the degree is earlier it's nearly 30s. Wesley. And Aswang, Silo, why? Sorry. Yeah, don't worry, Day. It's okay, Day, ha? Silo, don't worry about that. And Zaid Didix, you forgot me. No, I didn't forget you. I think it's because you changed your profile photo, right? That is why I cannot recognize the edits. Yeah, you changed your profile photo. That is why. But your name, it sounds familiar for me. Zaid Edit. But you changed your profile photo. And Aswang, yeah, it's gonna happen, ma'am. Then we can also become member her too. Yes, Aswang. If I got the YPP Aswang, what do you call that? There is super chat and subscription, and there is another one. I forgot what is that. Here on the live yeah. And Zaid edits rainy day. Wow, it's nice there because it's raining. Here it's very hot. Zaid edits. No, I changed my handle name. That is why. Zaid edits because you change your handle name. That is why. 6 viewers, shout out, and 23 likes. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming here, guys. Five viewers, hello, shout out, 23 likes. Thank you guys for the 23 likes. Yeah, shout out. What time is it now, guys? Because I will cook soon. It's, my goodness, it's 2. It's 2, 2 o'clock. Okay, okay guys, see you tomorrow guys ha, because I need to cook now because it's 2 p.m. here now. Aswang, I have to go now Aswang because I need to cook. It's 2 p.m. now Aswang. Okay ma'am, very happy to meet you. Just needed to complete some assignment ma'am. I will come back by. Yeah, thank you Aswang. And Aswang, don't forget, if you have time, you can watch my videos ha. And please comments and like Aswang. Yeah guys, I have new videos. If you didn't watch yet, I have a new video. I upload that yesterday. Thank you guys. And I need to cook now because it's it's 2 o'clock here, 2 p.m. Okay guys, thank you so much Ajit Kumar. Hi. But I need to go now Ajit Kumar. See you tomorrow again. Or let's see if it's afternoon, I don't know. But yeah, I think tomorrow because maybe I will go outside in this after lunch. Yes, thank you as well. Thank you so much Ajit Kumar. Thank you. Edit, thank you as well. Silo, adto sa kuday kay magluto kuday. Mag-lunch sa kuday. Thank you so much guys all, mama. Yeah. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto Aswang. Nice to meet you as well today. Yeah, great to meet you. Take care. Thank you guys. Thank you Aswang. Bye bye guys. Love you all, mama.